Hello everybody, today we will be looking at how to properly use boost in battle. Which is the most effective way to apply boost and make sure you are not wasting your boost. First, we will be looking at air raid warning boost. It increases the damage you give to enemy air units by 20% and reduce the damage you received from enemy aviation units by 20%. Your firing range and virtual range increase with +3 cell. This boost lasts for limited time. Now let's sit back and properly analyze this in this video. Now, what will this boost do for us when we are faced with Confederation bombers or resistance bombers? Many do not understand. Or they think if you win this boost from token spin that you are unlucky. That's sad. Because this video will change your thoughts on this boost. I will be having level 3 headquarters. An enemy will have 4 bombers. First, I will be using air raid warning boost, while enemy will be using air attack boost. Now let's see how this will play out, as I will be carefully analyzing the damage received. Alright, now the bad boy is in the sky. Let the party begin. This is going to be an epic ice. Watch closely and see the damage. In order for us to see the damage give to the headquarters, I will show you the amount of resources it cost to repair the headquarters. It cost estimate of 470 for resources to repair the damage. Now remember that enemy is using air attack boost, and I'm using air raid warning boost. Also, even if everyone has different upgrade and skill level, we can rely on this as a case study against when not using air raid warning boost. Now what if I'm using common defense boost against bombers, and enemy is using air attack boost? Well, let's see what this boost is made of. It increases the damage of your units with 30%. Also increases damage your defense building will give to enemy by 30%. Then it gives additional armor of 30%. All defense building will have additional plus to sell. Even with this, let us see if it's better than air raid warning boost in bombers raid attack. As you can see now, the damage received even with this boost activated is more compared to if we use air raid warning boost. We now need 530 for resources to repair the headquarters, compared to the air raid warning boost, which only cost less resources to repair. Also, the advantage of air raid warning boost is that it reduces the damage you received and increases the damage you give. Now let's talk about reconstruction boost. If your building is destroyed by you or your ally, the boost cannot be activated, but only when the building is destroyed by enemy. The gold helps you recover up to 6 administration building that has been destroyed in the last 5 minutes. If the building has been destroyed more than 5 minutes aga, then the boost cannot be used. For red boost, for buildings can be recovered. For blue boost, to buildings can be recovered. Now if enemy has only destroyed 1 building at the time you activated the boost and during the boost duration, then you can only recovered 1 administration building. Note, this boost can only be used once in a battle, so use wisely. You can also click on the boost to get information about it. Now these are the administration buildings. So with this, I have rebuilt the administration building without using from my resources credit. Let's talk about common recovery boost. It helps to increase the repair of your units and building at super fast rate, as you can see in the video now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.